Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and Allow. Then choose Home button. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device, but you can always switch between them by going into Devices Settings, scrolling down, choosing Apps and Notifications, then Default Apps and tapping on Home app. Over here, if you wish to apply your default launcher, click on OnePlus One, and if you wish to switch to iOS One, just choose iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!